How to hide posts from friends on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to hide posts from friends on Facebook, so firstly what you have to do is you have to go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then click on your profile, and here you come to this page, and there is two conditions if you posted the if your post is old or if you want to post the new. So the first method that how you can hide older post is you have to simply go to the any of the posts. So let's say I go to this post, so simply click on the three dots if this post, and you can see edit privacy, third option. Click on the edit privacy, and here you have to search the friends except, and here you can type all the friends that you want to choose that he don't see your post. So you can choose all the friends that you hide from the post from, and after that go back, and here you can see all the friends can't see your post. So that's basically it, that how you can hide post from friends on Facebook. And to the newer post that you want to post, so to post new post, what you can do is when you click on this, then you can post anything like I like I like deer. So let's see, I see, and here you can see in the only me you can see this lock under your username. You can see this lock like button, and with only me when you click on this, then you can choose the friends except, and you can choose all the friends that you want to hide the post. So you can choose all the friends and then click on the done in the top right corner, and then again click on the done in the bottom, and you can post it by clicking on the post button in the top right corner. And now the post all the friends that you have selected can't see your post. So that's basically it, that how you can hide posts from friends on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.